What if I told you that in the 1960s, a top-secret group of astronauts was sent on a classified mission to an alien planet, and only a few returned? For decades, rumors have swirled about a shadowy government program known as Project SERPO, a mission so secretive that even the highest-ranking officials were kept in the dark. According to leaked documents, after the 1947 Roswell UFO crash, the US government made first contact with an extraterrestrial race known as the Ebens. These beings didn't just visit Earth, they offered an invitation, a chance for humanity to step beyond our planet. And so, in 1965, 12 highly trained military personnel boarded an alien craft and embarked on a journey to SERPO, an unknown world located 39 light-years away. This is their story, and why the government has tried so hard to keep it buried. The story of Project SERPO begins with one of the most infamous events in modern history, the Roswell UFO crash of 1947. The official government statement at the time? A weather balloon had crashed in the New Mexico desert, but those who were there told a different story. According to classified reports, a spacecraft of unknown origin had crashed, and within the wreckage, a single alien survivor was found. This being, later identified as an Eben, was unlike anything the world had ever seen. With an elongated skull, large black eyes, and an intelligence far beyond human comprehension, the Eben was taken into military custody. At first, communication was impossible. The creature did not speak, nor did it respond to any known languages. But after months of research, military linguists discovered that the Eben communicated using a form of telepathic symbols and tones. And then, in a breakthrough that changed history, the Eben revealed the location of its home planet, SERPO. The US government saw an opportunity. If they could travel to this world, they could unlock scientific knowledge beyond imagination. And so, a classified mission was approved. A team of 12 men and women, scientists, military specialists, and engineers were selected for a mission unlike any other. Their task, to travel to SERPO and establish diplomatic relations with the alien race. The risks were immense. The government had no idea what awaited them on the other side. But in 1965, under absolute secrecy, the team boarded an alien craft and disappeared into the vastness of space. The journey was unlike anything the human mind could comprehend. Using technology far beyond our own, the Eben spacecraft warped through space at speeds faster than light. For what felt like only a few days, the team traveled across 39 light-years to a distant star system in the Zeta Reticuli constellation. As they approached SERPO, the astronauts witnessed a sight that defied explanation. The planet had two suns, casting an eerie golden glow over an alien landscape. The atmosphere was dense but breathable, and the terrain stretched endlessly with vast deserts, strange rock formations, and towering alien structures. Then they saw the Ebens cities, massive circular structures built from unknown materials, glowing with a faint blue light. The team was welcomed by a large group of Ebens who showed no hostility. In fact, they seemed curious, excited even, to meet their human guests. The astronauts were led into the alien city, where they would spend the next 13 years. The team quickly realized that SERPO was unlike anything they had imagined. The planet was hotter than Earth, with intense radiation levels. The two suns meant there was no night, only endless daylight. The Ebens lived in complete harmony, with no known government, no crime, and no form of currency. They shared a collective consciousness, a hive-like intelligence that allowed them to function as one society. The astronauts studied Eben technology, which seemed to defy the laws of physics. They had machines that could heal wounds instantly and devices that allowed them to manipulate gravity. But despite their advanced civilization, the Ebens lacked one thing: creativity. Unlike humans, they did not create art, music, or literature. They were a society driven purely by function and survival. This fascinated the astronauts, but soon the dangers of SERPO became apparent. Two of the team members fell ill due to the planet's high radiation levels and passed away. Another mysteriously disappeared into the alien wilderness, never to be seen again. It was clear, SERPO was not meant for humans. After 13 years, only 8 of the original 12 astronauts remained. In 1978, they were finally allowed to return home. When the astronauts arrived back on Earth, they were immediately placed into quarantine. The US government erased all records of their existence. They were forbidden from speaking about what they had seen, under threat of death or imprisonment, but over time small pieces of the truth leaked out. In 2005, an anonymous whistleblower released classified documents detailing Project SERPO. Since then, government agencies have denied its existence, but many believe that the truth is being hidden from the public. So, was Project SERPO real, or was it one of the greatest hoaxes of all time? Some believe that the whistleblower's story is too detailed to be fake. Others argue that there is no physical proof. But one thing is clear. If Project SERPO was real, then the US government has been hiding first contact with an alien civilization for decades. And if this secret was kept from us, what else are they hiding?